So as you seen in the last lecture, we have covered this one. Okay. So today we will do marker. So I want to clear you this practically. Let me open the same file. Chart 1. Now you see, Rajay. If you see, first of all I want to clear you how many marker styles we have. These are the list of marker styles we have. You can see that I put the picture: less than triangle left marker, greater than triangle right marker. In that way there are certain keywords you can use this to apply the marker. Okay, now I am giving this, say, just to clear you, I just give here. No, it depends. No, it depends upon you, bete, ki which you want to use. I just tell you ki these are the marker style we have. But if you want to use so, then you can use the desired one. I don't think so it will ask in the paper that, but you must remember ki the maybe 1, 2, 3 you remember, that's all. Say marker, okay, one is O point. This is, first of all, this is marker face color red, then is marker edge color is green, then is a marker width you can give, marker size you can give. But first of all I am just putting this only. Marker edge and width I'll tell you later. To clear you, I just apply only the simple student one. So you see this one. देखो ये राउंड पॉइंट आ गया, जहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, देन wherever the variation is there is a marker. Am I clear? This is the of student one. I have applied on the student one only. So you can see marker is only available there. Edge होता है बाहर का कलर. बाहर का कलर मैंने ग्रीन रखा था. If you see there is a green color. The inside color is called marker face color. Is it clear to you? दिखा रहा हूं.
Yes sir.
So see this marker. This is the marker style which I chose here. If you see that this one, that O. Okay. So in that way you can use that one also. O is not here, but O is there. Diamond, we can use the keyword also. D, we can use letter D. Capital D is there, no? Control S, F. So you see now it's in the diamond shape. Okay. O is for the circular one. अगर आपको circular देना है, then you can use O there. Clear? So हाँ जी. So you can see that I just use D here. The inside color, color is called marker face color. Okay, marker face color मैंने red रखा है. Then is a marker edge color. Edge means outside boundary color of that. तो ये आप देना चाहते हो, it is not mandatory. If you want to give, you can give. Okay. Then we have the marker width.
Sir, ये मतलब सर क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं अभी, हाँ अभी फेस कलर रेड रखो ते ग्रे.
That can be given. That can be given if they are tell you.
Okay sir.
But if sometime they can be given, or sometime if it is in the colorful figure, but आता तो पेपर black and white ही है, maybe in the instruction it is given to you कि the marker face color is this and marker edge color is this. Okay.
Yes,
so in that way you can recognize that. Clear है? So अब मैं दूसरे वाला आपको हाँ जी.
Sir, we can change also.
According to the yes, you can change it. So next is a bete. These two I am adding here now. That is marker edge width. मतलब by default you want to take the width 2 pixels, 4 pixel or more than that. So I am just using 4 pixel here. Then is a marker size. Marker size means this is also the pixel value कि how much you want thick and thin. Marker का size मैंने 10 रखा. Then marker width size is 4. Let me show you the output. So see, it becomes bigger now. Clear? हाँ जी, clear? हाँ जी.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in that way you can use this one.
Yes.
हाँ जी.
Sir, width size की तो है.
width जो width दी है वो चौड़ाई के लिए होती है 4 पिक्सल. वो width होता है, I think it is taking for the outside edge.
देखो सर width बंद करके देखियो.
Mix क्या करूं? Select it 2 1. Okay. So you see this has become small. This is the edge width only बेटे.
तो सर width मतलब बाहर वाला पूरा.
हाँ, edge one.
जैसे size मतलब सर line
Size overall inside part of this border के inside.
सर अच्छा inside वाला size से बाहर वाला.
हाँ. You can see inside is inside pixels. So if you want to see, I can use here also the other one. I'm just copy here. Control C. Say Control V. Here I put one comma here. Then here I use the diamond sign. Here I just use the say yellow. Here I use the blue one. Say width is this one. Say marker size I'm going to take, let it 8, not this one. Okay, Control S. So you can see. So this is the one. Okay. So in that way you can apply the marker. Clear? Note down this. Hurry up. ये syntax note करो marker का. ऐसा करता हूं. वेट अ मिनट. देखो ये रजे जिस स्टूडेंट के लिए आप लगा रहे हो यू इट शुड बी इन दैट रो ओनली. सो आई जस्ट कॉपी हियर. आई एम गोइंग टू पेस्ट इट इन वर्ड टू गिव यू द क्लैरिफिकेशन फॉर दिस. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one. Note down bete. This file PDF I will send you in your group, okay? But this must be.
Okay, sir.
These are certain keywords argument. Okay? कि color or C. Line style you can use LS also. Short keyword I'm telling you. Line width you can use LW. For marker you can use marker. For marker edge color this should be the full. What? LS. For line style it is LS. For line width it is LW. Okay, that will be the full one.
LS का काम किया सर.
हाँ जी.
Line style का काम किया.
Line style आपको बताया तो था. There are various line style. These one भूल गया वासु.
सर याद आ गया.
हाँ फिर
याद आ गया सर.
Okay. So up to here it is clear to you everybody.
Yes, sir.
So now I am going to tell you the chart creation using the data frame. Clear? हाँ जी. So I am going to switch to the new file. I'm going to close this one.
Okay.
Now you see, first of all, we are using import pandas as PD. Harshit is here. Harshit. Harshit. Okay. Harshpreet Singh. Harshpreet. Harshpreet, are you there, Rajay? Kumud.
हाँ जी सर.
Okay. Tell me what I have to write here if I'm dealing with the charts. Which library I have to import here?
Matplotlib.
Who is speak? I asked to Kumud only. Kumud, tell me
Okay,
the
sir.
whole syntax.
हाँ जी सर.
Yes.
सर PV is equal to
Wait.
सर pivot.matplotlib.
बेटे स्टार्टिंग में क्या लिखना है मुझे ये तो बताओ ना. व्हाट आई हैव टू राइट इन द स्टार्टिंग.
Sir import.
Import, yes. Then
Sir import sir matplotlib as a
matplotlib. Yes, Kumud, tell me.
Sir import matplotlib as empty because
Beta, if you think that no, in that way you will learn IP, this is your mistake. Because if you write this line, no, which I'm asking you, you will get half or 1 mark for this. To write this line only. But still you don't remember this line. I know that the student, those are not speaking, don't think that I'm a fool here. I know that purposely you are not speaking that because you are not in front of me right now. Okay? Because you know that if sir will ask, we will say, sir, there is a network issue. Sir, net nahi aa raha tha. This is the problem. We know that. But you think that teacher is a fool here. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT.
TNT.
So for the data frame, I'm just creating one simple data frame. A is equal to PD dot data frame. Then we have, say, column name I'm giving A. Then is a value 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then is a B. Now you see this is the data frame I have created. First let the data frame print so that we know that there is no problem in this. So see, there is no problem, it's fine now. Now I'm going to create the bar chart for this. As I told you, the by default chart is line chart. plt dot plot. Yes.
फिर देंगे फोल्डर वाइज से प्रिंट होया फिर देंगे रूल्स वाइज प्रिंट करा
ये कैसे होगा यार मासूद? समटाइम यू आर आस्किंग इररिलेवेंट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज द टेबुलर फॉर्म, डेटा फ्रेम है वो, डेटा फ्रेम टेबुलर ही होगा, रो वाइज कैसे प्रिंट करा लेगा उसको?
वैसे मैं पूछ रहा था वैसे हो नहीं सकता
कैसे होगा यार? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? डेटा फ्रेम है वो, दैट इज अ टेबुलर फॉर्म. दिस इज द कॉलम हेडिंग एंड दीज आर द वैल्यूज.
हां जी
देन इररिलेवेंट क्वेश्चन यू आर आस्किंग.
सर मैं पूछ रहा था अभी हॉरिजॉन्टल
बेटे हॉरिजॉन्टल कैसे होगा ना? तू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि डेटा फ्रेम है ही टेबुलर फॉर्म. हाउ मेनी टाइम आई टोल्ड यू द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट. Then we have this one. So you see I just printed a, there is no problem in this. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you that if you use plt dot plot, then it will print you the line chart by default. If you use plt dot bar, bar chart will be there. Plt dot hist for the histogram, plt dot pie for the pie chart. But when you use this as a data frame, there is a bit difference in that. Bit difference means your data frame is created in the variable a. So for that what you need to use here, आपने क्या करना, every time a dot plot you have to use here only, that is a dot plot. Here you have to give kind. Earlier we simply use that means plt dot plot, but here we are creating the chart of this data frame. Then we have to use this data frame name, that is a dot plot kind is equal to bar. Okay, so kind is equal to bar. If you want to give the title to this, then you can give, that's your wish. Say let it be, क्या दिया उसने, say plot bar chart, that's it. I'm giving the title for this.
प्लॉट सर बाय डिफॉल्ट सर लाइन चार्ट
Yes. By default it is a line chart. But here if you are using the line chart also, then also you have to give line here, because in that way it will not come, because we are using the data frame variable here. It is not the previous method as we created from the list only. Here we have created from the data frame. So we have to use the data frame variable name, then dot plot. We have to tell kind मतलब आप किस कैटेगरी का ग्राफ चाहते हो. You want to take line chart, then you have to give here line. If you want to use bar, then you have to give bar. So I'm taking the bar one. So plot bar chart. So now you see, to show this same method, plt dot show. Yes, plt dot show वही होगा. Now you see the output. See, now it is the, this is blue one is A1 and the
Yes,
orange
sir.
one is for the B1. ठीक है, ये A वाला 1 2 3. तो देखो बार पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू यू. सेम वे
Yes.
फॉर B1.
Okay.
Clear? Baki rest is similar to that. Means if you want to give to the X label, that is same. X dot label bracket में name. Okay, Y dot label, whatever the previous functions we used in that can be used here also. Am I clear?
सर बाकी सारा दूसरे के पास थोड़ा ही फर्क है
सर बात है हिस्ट विच की फर्क है फिर.
Beta histogram, that I hope you, if you can ask Harry sir, because he is the math teacher, he can tell you the better about this.
फिर मैं अगर हिस्ट चलाया सीगा वो से रेगुलर सेम
No, same. You see, there is a output difference, beta, but that output is also not clear there. So I think the bar one is the, now it is clear. If you see the according to the interval time, it is properly. If whatever the values are, if it is 10, so you see this is 10. If it is 20, so it is 20. Earlier that was a histogram, but the output was not clear. So here the output is clear. Am I clear?
फिर ये कौन सा हिस्ट चलाया सर ये काट दे हिस्ट पर
ਸਰ ਆਊਟਪੁੱਟ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ
You have seen?
ਯੈਸ ਸਰ ਮੈਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ
So you see, this is the histogram. There is something
समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है
that's why. No? Okay. So now it is clear to you that how you can create the chart using the data frame.
यस सर
You can note down this code. Hurry up.